Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the files you'll remove. Use File Explorer or Finder and search for XLS, XLSX, XLSM, and XLSB immediately. Once located, sort by date modified or last opened so you target genuinely old work. Make sure to check sync locations like OneDrive or Google Drive and any archive folders. If you want a safety net, copy the oldest few into a temporary backup folder before deleting. This step prevents accidental loss and speeds the rest of the. Open each candidate and quickly verify its contents. Confirm it isn't a template or link to other workbooks. Once done, inspect for macros, external links, or embedded objects that might affect other files, remove or note them. If a sheet contains parts you need, export or copy those sheets into a new workbook and save it with a clear name and date. Make sure autosave locations are updated so you don't recreate duplicates in Cloud Sync. Now permanently remove the validated files. Delete them and then empty the recycle bin or trash to free space. If files were in cloud storage, also remove them from the cloud trash and revoke any shared links to avoid lingering access. Once complete, run a quick disk cleanup and, if desired, update folder organization to prevent future clutter. If something goes wrong, pause, restore from your temporary backup or cloud version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.